What up, YouTube? This is GSN Cards coming back at you. Leaf Limited coming up next. Here we go. 2008. Let's break this shit. Hopefully we can pull something nasty. 4 hits per box. Hopefully good 4 hits per box. Here we go. We got all base. All right, off the back. Nice autograph. Very nice autograph for the Steelers. Dual jersey autograph. Get a closer view here. What's this number to? Number to 50 of Willie Parker. Very nice. So Willie Parker, number 3 out of 50, autograph for the Steelers. We got a Jim Brown for the Browns, lead trademarks, numbered out of 999. Legend, 10 Hendricks. For the Raiders, numbered out of 499. Then we have a Phenom for the Raiders, Tavares Gooden, numbered out of 999, but it's a eBay 1 of 1. It's numbered 1 out of 999. Let's see that. And the Tavares Gooden, it's actually the Ravens. All right, nice patches. Very nice patches. Dual patch auto for the Dolphins. Numbered out of 99, Chad Henne. So there it is, 14 out of 99. Pretty decent patch. So we got a Willie Parker and a Chad Henne auto. Legend for the Raiders, John Matzuzak, numbered out of 49. Still looking for my Falcons. Want to pull a Matt Ryan. Leroy Selman for the Buccaneers, numbered out of 499. All right, moving on to the second stack of Leaf Limited. Pretty decent so far. Deacon Jones for the Los Angeles Rams, numbered out of 999. Very nice patches. 1, 2, 3, 4 colors, 4 breaks, 3 different stitchings for the Patriots. And that is numbered out of 10. 9 out of 10. Lawrence Maroney for the Patriots. Very nice card. So there you go, Patriots. I believe that was traded to Ken's Cards. Legends for the Lions, Doak Walker, numbered out of 99. And we should have one more hit. I believe there's 4 hits in Leaf Limited. Legends for the Jets, Mark Gastineau. Probably. All right, let's get a nasty hit. For the Raiders, Armand Shields, Phenom, numbered at a 9.99. 3 packs remaining. For the Dolphins, Chad Pennington, numbered out of 99. All right, and we got a jersey for the Bengals, Chad Johnson, numbered out of 100. So that should be all our hits. Let's see if they included one extra. And they did not. Marcus Allen for the Raiders, legend, numbered out of 125. So pretty solid box overall. We'll be back with 08 Premier. GSN Cards is out.